In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix App Store not working on Mac. So let's get started. Now we're gonna go from basic checks to advanced checks. So let's get started with the most basic one, which is to check your internet connection, okay? So make sure that you are connected to an internet, and you can obviously confirm this by just going ahead and searching any website and seeing if it opens. Now if you're using a VPN, then you have to turn it off because App Store often fails under VPN. Then obviously you have to restart App Store. So just open it, then just click Command Q. So it's totally gonna close it. You're gonna see the dot under it go, and then just reopen it again. Then you can also restart your Mac because this clears caching or network glitches that often cause App Store failure, okay? Now we're gonna look at Apple system status, okay? So for this, you'll have to obviously go to your web browser and search up Apple system status App Store, okay? Just go ahead and search this and click on the first thingy. And here you're gonna see many system statuses, okay? And now App Store, as you can see, is green, so this means that it is available, okay? But if it is down, that means that that is the reason you weren't able to open App Store, okay? Then you can also try signing out and signing in, okay? So here, go to your accounts and go to account settings, and obviously just sign out from there, and then you can re-sign in later. Then we have to clear App Store cache, and it fixes most loading issues, okay? So for this, you'll have to go to Finder, go to Go, and go to folder. Now here you'll have to type in this thing, caches / com.apple.appstore, okay? I'm just gonna enter. Now this is the thing that you have to see. You can just go ahead and delete all of the items in the specific folder, okay? And then you also have to go to this place, which is go to folder, caches / store account D. Now you have to go here and also delete all the content here and restart your Mac, and then reopen App Store, and hopefully it works. But as you can see, in my case, I do not have this because I barely use App Store, but you guys might have this folder, so make sure that you delete everything from there. Then we have to reset App Store plus certificates, okay? Because this fixes connection errors. So I'm just gonna close this now. Okay, that's done. Now I'm gonna open terminal. Now once you open it, you'll have to copy this command right here, okay? Just type it out and paste it here and click enter. Now once you do that, it's gonna reset all of those things, and hopefully it works. For me, it couldn't find anything because I have no issue with my App Store, okay? Then it is check date and time. This is a very important one, okay? So for this, you have to go to system settings, then you have to go to general, then date and time, and make sure that this option for you is on, okay? Set time zone automatically using your location, and this one right there, okay? And make sure that your time is correct, because if it's not correct, that is the reason your App Store is not working. Then we have disable any firewall or security apps. So apps like Little Snitch, Radio Silence, or some antivirus tools can block the App Store. So temporarily disable and try again. Then we have that try safe mode, because safe mode clears caches and fixes corrupted modules. So if you're on an Apple Silicon, you shut down, you hold the power until loading startup options appear. From there, you choose disk, then hold shift and continue in safe mode, okay? And if you're on Intel, you restart and just hold shift the entire time. Now, if App Store works in safe mode, a third-party extension is blocking it, okay? Now, lastly, what you can try is reinstall Mac OS, and this is non-destructive. So this means that it's gonna keep all your files. Now to do this, you'll have to obviously first restart, and then you'll have to hold Command plus R. Okay, so command plus R, and then you have to choose reinstall Mac OS. And yeah, and if nothing else works, then what you have to do is you have to go maybe to your nearest Apple store and they can perhaps help you. Okay, so yeah, so alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that I helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.